Hi friends, in this video I will tell you how to remove the watermark from KineMaster. Suppose I have this video, I need to remove this watermark for this video. Go to Chrome browser, type here onlinevideocutter.com. Here it will asking to open that video. Click that open file. Upload that video into site. Here you can select the remove logo option. After that you can crop the watermark in this video. I want to remove this watermark. Okay, scroll down. You can click save button. It automatically remove the watermark and will ask to download the original file. Yeah, file is ready for save. I will save that file. I will show you after removing the watermark. Once done, it asking for opening the video. I will show that video. Hi friends. You can see there is no watermark in this video. In this way we can remove the watermark from the video without using any third-party applications. Thank you.